Welcome to today's session, children. This is the continuity of squares and square roots. In this session, we are going to learn finding square root through prime factorization. Consider the prime factorization of the following numbers and their squares. See the table. Prime factorization of a number, prime factorization of its square. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 6 square is 36. 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 8 square is 64. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. See the table once again. How many times does 2 occur in the prime factorization of 6? Once. Yes, it is only one time. How many times does 2 occur in the prime factorization of 36? It is twice. Similarly, observe the occurrence of 3 in 6 and 36, of 2 in 8 and 64. You will find that each prime factor in the prime factorization of the square of a number occurs twice the number of times it occurs in the prime factorization of the number itself. Now we will see the exercise 6.3. First question. What could be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following numbers? First part. 9801. Solution. Ones digit of the square root of 9801 is 1 or 9 because see the given number, last digit, that is unit digit, is here 1. 1 square is 1. 9 square is 81. So, here unit digit of the given square root of given number is 1 or 9. Fourth part. 65 crore 76 lakh 66,025. See the solution. Ones digit of the square root of the given number is 5 because in this given number last two digits is 25. 5 square is 25. So, here ones digit of the square root of the given number is 5. Second sum. Without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect squares. First one 153, second one 257, third one 408, fourth one 441. See the solution. First one, second one, third one are surely not perfect square because unit digit of any number are 2, 3, 7, 8. It could not be a perfect square. Third question. Find the square roots of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. See the solution. Square root of 100 by method of repeated subtraction is 100 minus 1 is 99. 99 minus 3 is 96. 96 minus 5 is equal to 91. 91 minus 7 is equal to 84. 84 minus 9 is equal to 75. 75 minus 11 is equal to 64. 64 minus 13 is equal to 51. 51 minus 15 is equal to 36. 36 minus 17 is equal to 19. 19 minus 19 is equal to 0. From 100, we have subtracted successive odd numbers starting from 1 and obtained 0 at 10th step. Therefore, root of 100 is equal to 10. Now square root of 169 by method of repeated subtraction is 169 minus 1 is equal to 168. 168 minus 3 is equal to 165. 165 minus 5 is equal to 160. 160 minus 7 is equal to 153. 153 minus 9 is equal to 144. 144 minus 11 is equal to 133. 133 minus 13 is equal to 120. 120 minus 15 is equal to 105. 105 minus 17 is equal to 88. 88 minus 19 is equal to 69. 69 minus 21 is equal to 48. 48 minus 23 is equal to 25. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. From 169, we have subtracted successive odd numbers starting from 1 and obtained 0 at 13th step. Therefore, root 169 is equal to 13. Fourth question. Find the square roots of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. Part 1. 729. See the solution. First, see the prime factorization method. See the division. Here 729 by 3 is 243. 243 by 3 is 81. 81 by 3 is 27. 27 by 3 is 9. 9 by 3 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. Root 729 is equal to root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. How many pair of 3's are there? 3 pair of 3's are there. So 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 27. Fourth one, 4096. Solution. See the prime factorization. 4096 by 2 is 2048. 2048 by 2 is 1024. 1024 by 2 is 512. 512 by 2 is 256. 256 by 2 is 128. 128 by 2 is 64. 64 by 2 is 32. 32 by 2 is 16. 16 by 2 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Root of 4096 is equal to root of 2 into 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 2. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Therefore, root of 4096 is equal to 64. Second one, 400. Solution. 400 by 2 is 200. 200 by 2 is 100. 100 by 2 is 50. 50 by 2 is 25. 25 by 5 is 5. 5 by 5 is 1. Root of 400 is equal to root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. That is equal to 20. Therefore, root 400 is equal to 20. Seventh one, 5929. Solution. See the prime factorization. 5929 by 7 is 847. 847 by 7 is 121. 121 by 11 is 11. 11 by 11 is equal to 1. Root of 5929 is equal to root of 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. That is equal to 7 into 11 is equal to 77. Therefore, root of 5929 is equal to 77. 10th one, 8100. See the solution. 8100 by 2 is 4050. 4050 by 2 is 2025. 2025 by 3 is 675. 675 by 3 is 225. 225 by 3 is 75. 75 by 3 is 25. 25 by 5 is 5. 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Root of 8100 is equal to root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. That is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. That is equal to 6 into 15. That is equal to 90. Therefore, root of 8100 is equal to 90. Thank you, children.